Hello, welcome to my class. In this video, we are going to discuss subpart questions 8, 9 and 10 from question number 3 from exercise 5.3 from the chapter Arithmetic Progression. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and do like the video if you like my class and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to get notifications also. If you have any doubts, you can ask that as comments. Okay, so let us start now. And the question is, given an equal to 4, b equal to 2 and sn equal to minus 14, find n and a. So, an equal to 4 means we have a plus n minus 1 into d is given, which is 2, is equal to 4. We can write a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to an as the formula. So, a plus n minus 1 into 2 is equal to 4, which means a plus 2n minus 2 is equal to 4. So, we have a is equal to, taking this 2n minus 2 to the right hand side, we will get a is equal to 4 minus 2n plus 2, which is equal to 6 minus 2n. So, let this be equation 1. A is equal to 6 minus 2n is equation 1. Now, Sn is given as minus 14. What is the formula for Sn? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, which is equal to minus 14. Now, we can substitute for d here and we have a as 6 minus 2n. So, substitute that here. So, we will get n by 2 into 2 into 6 minus 2n plus n minus 1 into 2 is equal to minus 14, right? Now, this is n by 2 into 2 into 6 minus 2n is, multiply this 2 by 6, we will get 12. Then 2 by minus 2n is minus 4n. Then plus 2 into n minus 1. 2 into n is 2n and 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, which is equal to minus 14. Okay, now we have n by 2 into 12 minus 2 is 10 and minus 4n plus 2n is minus 2n, which is equal to minus 14. Now, this is same as n into 10 minus 2n by 2 is equal to minus 14. So, we can cross multiply this. We will get n into 10 minus 2n is equal to minus 14 into 2, which is equal to minus 28. Now, n into 10 is 10n and n into minus 2n is minus 2n square. Now, bringing this minus 28 to the left hand side, we will get plus 28 is equal to 0. Okay, now we can write this as minus 2n square plus 10n plus 28 is equal to 0. To convert this to general form of quadratic equation, we can divide it by minus 2. Because all these terms are divisible by 2. In all these terms, 2 is a factor, and to change this sign to positive, we can divide it by minus 2. Instead of dividing by 2, we can divide it by minus 2. So, dividing LHS and RHS by minus 2, what will we get? N square minus 5n minus 14 is equal to 0. Right? And if we factorize this, we have sum is equal to minus 5 and product is equal to minus 14, which means which two numbers are possible. We have, if we take minus 7 and 2, minus 7 plus 2 is minus 5 and minus 7 into 2 is minus 14, right? So, we can write this as n square minus 7n. That is, we have to split the middle term in such a way that sum is minus 5 and product is minus 14. So, we can split it as minus 7n plus 2n. So, sum is minus 5n and product is minus 14. Okay. So, n square minus 7n plus 2n minus 14 is equal to 0. Now, we can take n out from these two terms and 2 out from these two terms, because n is a factor of both these terms and 2 is a factor of both these terms. So, if we take n out from this, we have n minus 7 remaining, and if we take 2 out from this, we have n minus 7 remaining, which which is equal to 0. Because 2 into, if we take 2 out from this, we have n, and minus 14 by 2 is minus 7. So we got n into n minus 7 plus 2 into n minus 7 is equal to 0, which means n plus 2 into n minus 7 is equal to 0. So n plus 2 equal to 0 and n minus 7 is equal to 0, which means n is equal to minus 2 and 7. And we got n as minus 2 and 7. But we cannot have negative values for n, right? Because n is number of terms of the AP. So it can have only positive values, which means we got n as 7. We can take n as 7. Now we have to find the value of a. So for that we can substitute n in equation 1. So we will get a is equal to 6 minus 2 into 7, which is equal to 6 minus 14, and that is equal to minus 8. So a is equal to minus 8 and n is equal to 7. Okay, understood? You can pause this video and write this. Next one, given a equal to 3, n equal to 8 and s equal to 192. Find d. So, we have Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, which is equal to 192. Now, substitute all these a and n here. So, we have S8 is equal to n by 2. n by 2 is 8 by 2 into 2a. 2 into 3, 6 plus n minus 1 is 8 minus 1, which is 7. 7 into d is equal to 192. So, this implies, or we can write 8 by 2 is 4. 4 into 6 plus 7d is equal to 192. Okay, now we can multiply this. 4 into 6 is 24 and 4 into 7 is 28. So 28d. 24 plus 28d is equal to 192. Now taking this to the right hand side, we will get 28d is equal to 192 minus 24. And 192 minus 24 is 168, right? So we got 28d is equal to 168. So what is d? 168 by 28, which is equal to 6 8s are 48. So let us see if 28 into 6 is 6 8s are 48. Then 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. So this will go 6 times, which means d is equal to 6. We got the common difference as 6. So d is equal to 6. We can write d equal to 6. Understood? So you can just pause this and write. Next one, L equal to 28, that is last term is 28 and S equal to 144, and there are total 9 terms. Find A, that is first term. We have to find the first term. So we have the formula. One formula is there, Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. And we have n as 9. There are total 9 terms. So n is equal to 9. We can write n equal to 9. And substitute all these terms here. We have S9 equal to n by 2, which is 9 by 2 into A plus L is 28, and that is equal to 144, right? So 9 by 2 into A plus 28 is equal to 144, which means we can write it as 9 into A plus 28 by 2 is equal to 144. So 9 into A plus 28 is equal to, cross multiplying this, 2 into 144, which is 288. Now we can take this to the right hand side. If we take this to the right hand side, it is into here, so it will become divided by here, right? So A plus 28 is equal to 288 by 9. And 28 by 9 is 1 9 is 9, 2 9s are 18, 3 9s are 27, 1 remainder, 18 by 9 is 2. So we got a plus 28 is equal to 32. So what to say? A is equal to 32 minus 28, which is equal to 4. So A is equal to 4 here. A is equal to 4. Okay. So we have completed sub questions 8, 9 and 10 from question number 3 from exercise 5.3 from the chapter Arithmetic Progression. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and do like the video if you like my class and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to get notifications also. If you have any doubts, you can ask that as comments. Okay. Thank you and bye.